Welcome back. In this lecture, we'll show you how you can install Git on a Windows 10 operating system. Open a browser and go to a website with the name git-scm.com. Because we are using a Windows 10 machine, the default option for the download here is for Windows. Click on it and that should start the download process automatically. As you can see here at the bottom, it already downloaded. Go to the folder and you can just double click the installation folder, installation file, to kick off the install. Click next, and moving forward on the screens you can accept the defaults and continue with the installation. And let us pause here and spend like a minute here and understand what this editor means to us. When using Git, primarily when committing changes to the registry, you will be forced to enter comments, and for that Git needs to invoke an editor for you. On a Windows machine, you could use the VM that is built into the Git shell here, or you could use Notepad or Notepad++ if you have those installed. We do have option here, Notepad++. You can do Notepad and you can do Atom, Sublime as well. I'll just leave Vim for now. Click next and click through all the defaults and you should be just fine. It will take a minute or two depending on the speed of your machine, and the installation should be done. Okay, here I'm going to uncheck the further release notes and check the launch Git bash. Click finish and that should launch our Git shell. Or you can go to your Windows option here and just search for Git, and you have it here. Click that and you get Git shell here, Git terminal. I'm going to increase the font here a little bit, including the terminal size. Okay, the font size has been increased and the terminal also much bigger so that we can check few things. Git and hit enter. As you can see, we have Git within the system. There's displaying the default help because we need to use appropriate option with the Git. Well, that's it when it comes to installation of Git on a Windows 10 operating system. Well, see you in the next video.